Summer lovin' had me a blast. Summer lovin' bought me the cash. I'm not even sure if that rhymed. Hey guys, it's Joshua the Geocaching Vlogger, and I am here for the May 2021 Cache Crate unboxing with the Geocaching Teas unenveloping. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance packs up geocaching goodies for you, and they're delivered to your door every single month. And also, if you're a subscriber, she also sends out Geocaching Teas. That's geocaching t-shirts for all your geocaching fashion needs. And I unbox them for you so you can see what it's like. And guys, summer is here. Geocaching season is in full swing. I've already been to 2 geocaching events this year. I am smiling ear to ear because I am on a geocaching high, and the Cache Crate, it makes me smile every single month. To mix things up a bit, I'm going to unenvelope the geocaching tea first because it's hot and I've just been sweating in this shirt. So let's see what we have. You always get to see it before me. Feeling the softness. Yes, it's always soft. You get to see the color first. Oh, and now I do. Ooh. Oh, it was just Prince's birthday. I come from Minnesota. Prince is a big deal, and so is purple. A purple geocaching shirt. Now let's check out the design. What does it say? It's a classic geocaching saying. It says, "Not all who wander are lost. Some are just geocaching." Let's put it on right now because I'm a little hot in this dress shirt. 1, 2, 3, boom, there it is. Purple rain, purple rain. So if you're interested in getting a monthly geocaching t-shirt sent to your door, check out geocachingteas.com and you can subscribe there. And now, the goodies. They're waiting inside for the May 2021 Cache Crate. The box is, again, as you notice, a little bit thicker than they have been in other months. Here we go. The big reveal right now. Ooh. All right, I won't look. First item I'm grabbing. Yes. I use these all the time, and this one is camouflaged. You can't even see it. Can you see it? This is a microfiber lens cloth. I totally use these all the time, especially for my camera lens that I'm looking at right now. There you are. You're dirty. You're dirty. Here we go. See, take it out. Has a little pouch in there. There we go. Open it up. I'm just gonna clean you off a little bit here. Don't you worry. Don't you mind me. Oh, I look so clear now. There's also like a little carabiner on here so I can put it on my backpack, and I can have my microfiber cleaner. You can clean glasses, cameras, phones, and look at it, you just stuff it. You just stuff it right back in there. What if this is like a vlogger Cache Crate that she packed just for me? Next item in the box. What do we have? I'm sensing a theme. We have pencils, always useful for geocaching. You can use these as swag, but look at, you can't even see it. Is everything in here invisible because it's camoed? It's camouflage. So we got some camouflage pencils, a 3-pack. Next item. We do have a theme. We got a camouflage paracord with a carabiner attached to it. Paracord often has a lot of great uses. Good thing I'm just grabbing it here because if everything is camoed, I can't really see it anyway. This one's not really camoed, but it has like a little map on it. LED keychain flashlight. It does high, low, and strobe. Again, it's not camouflage, but totally geocaching related because it's like a topographic map on there. Next item. Oh, yes. I've got these before and they've been so useful. It's a magnifier, but it's also a tweezers. Good for getting those caches in tough little spots or taking out those little nano logbooks. This is actually also a very good first aid item because splinters, sometimes the really tiny splinters are hard to see. So the magnifying glass helps for that. And as many of you know, I get the add-on trackable, and I got a little Cashkins this time, and this one I've never seen before. It is a little whale that wants to cross the ocean. A perfect goal for this would be get it to cross the ocean because I still can't do it. I can't cross the ocean unless I want to quarantine for 14 days. All right, I love this camo themed cache crate. If you're interested in the cache crate, you can just go to cachecrate.com and you can subscribe there. And if you're new to the cache crate, if you use the promo code GEO15, you will get 15% off your first payment. So if you use that code, you get even more savings if you subscribe for 6 months or a year. I'll be honest, the cache crate always inspires me to get out and do something in the world of geocaching. But today it's so hot. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's about 93 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's 93. It was almost 100 today. So today, I'm just gonna revel in the fact that I kind of got to open a geocache inside. All right, I'll see you on the next video. And if you go right over here, you'll find it right here or here, and I'll meet you over there. Summer lovin' had me a cache.